So now let's see how we can work around with correction of camera distortion inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that I have a distorted photo, and if you want to correct this, then you can go around over here onto the filter menu, and then here you can see correct camera distortion is an option. And once you click on it, then correct camera distortion window opens up. So here you can go around increase and decrease out the distortion level, as you can see right here. So you want to add it in, you can add it in, or increase out to correct out the distortion. And you can see the preview before and after right here for the distortion, as you can see. You can go around, change around the vignette to add in a bit of brightness on the edges, which might be the cause of distortion as well. And you can go around and change out the midpoint for the brightness as well. Similarly, you can go around over here and change around vertical or perspective right here, just like this, if that has been distorted. And you can work around with the horizontal perspective over here as well. You can also go around and change around the angle, as you can see, according to how you want right here. And then you can go around, change around the edge extension as well, just like this. So you can go around, change around the edge extension right here to correct out the distortion as well. Let me just go around and press OK, and this is what you have. I'm going to go around over here onto filter, and I'm going to go to correct camera distortion, and you can remove out the distortion further over here, just like this as well. Press OK. So it is further resolved. You can go around, correct out camera distortion further right here, increase it out, and you can see that it further keeps on correcting out the distortion right here, since this image is very distorted, just like that. And that is how you can go around and correct out the camera distortion that you may have in photos inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.